Zhejiang Wana Industry and Trade Company Limited, TBAW, was established in 1995, located in Wuyi City, Zhejiang Province, China. As one of the leading abrasive manufacturers in China, we have accumulated a strong and good market trust, as well as great customer satisfaction over the past 2 decades. Zhejiang Wana Abrasive Company mainly produces resin-bond cutting wheels and grinding wheels, and are applied to cut off, grinding, and polishing. Our brand is TBAW. We have a professional modern factory with 80 production lines to meet customers' different requirements, such as different sizes, thickness, and colors. We control the quality strictly from the whole production process, such as product uniformity and cutting data testing, and so on. TBAW integrates manufacturing, sales, and services with a facility area of 25,000 square meters and 300 employees. The annual capacity is more than 200 million pieces. The whole workshop has been kept in constant temperature by air conditioned to reinforce the performance of products. Products are baked by the tunnel kiln, which fully controlled by computer system to ensure every piece with good appearance and stable quality. Besides, QC department inspects products strictly at each stage of the production. The specifications of our products, such as sharpness, durability, impact strength, and static balance, have reached internationally advanced level. Moreover, the management and quality control system is compliance with ISO 9001. Products certified by MPA and have been exported widely to Europe, America, South Korea, Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, Latin America, etc. OEM and ODM are available for customers. TBAW adhere to good quality, competitive price, efficient service to meet market demands, and realize mutual benefit with customers. Leading technology achievement, the detail of process. We are under fast growing, and welcome to join us.